Namaskar, my name is Sanjay Kumar. I am poet, story writer, novelist and painter. I want to present my essay to you. The topic of my essay is Genie of Reservation. Reservation has been in force in India for the last 75 years, but the hunger for the reservation is increasing among all castes. Every caste wants to get reservation. Reservation was applicable only for 10 years, but now the thirst for reservation has become so great in every caste that it is not being quenched. The thirst for reservation will never be quenched. What should happen is that all landless and poor people should be empowered, like BJP is doing at this time. BJP is developing everyone without any discrimination and without any corruption. Well, there is as it won, but still many evil people promote casteism a lot. But the intelligent people of India have succeeded in destroying casteism to a great extent. The government should take revolutionary steps for the development of agriculture. Previous government were able to develop agriculture only on paper. The condition of farmers is getting worse day by day. The government should make farmer more aware. All the evil of corrupt leaders are trying their best to provoke farmer. I am not a blind supporter of BJP, but every good man praised good work. After 2014, Modi and his government have made such development had not never happened in India. Before 2014, when there was no BJP government, there was only one AIMS and there was 5 IIT, and even in the states there were very few educational institutions. There was a lot of deterioration in education. In our country, corruption and criminalization of politics has reached its ultimate stage. Today there are 23 IIT and 23 AIMS in India. And where there is a BJP government, many engineering colleges, medical colleges and many other educational institutions have been started. India's agriculture can be developed so much that every Indian can be happy. Our administration had become so corrupt and that it did not allow any kind of plan to succeed. Our politics was also immersed in extreme corruption. The government did not want to free the system from corruption. America is a developed country. No reservation of any kind is applicable there. Their science and technological development is at its peak. All people have full right to read and write. But the way the policies of apartheid is not implemented in America. But still, black people have not developed as much as white people have. Some white people still do not consider black people as human beings. In India, regional and national parties give tickets to criminals. Regional political parties glorify criminals on the basis of caste. People being unconscious and alienated from the progressive spirit give their valuable votes to the criminal leaders of regional party. If criminal leader become an MLA or MP after winning, he indulges in corruption and he commits all kinds of crime. If a criminal leader become a minister, then he creates such a game of corruption that all records are broken. In India, education, health, public welfare, public safety, agriculture, administration, etc. have deteriorated badly. Education is very useful for the society, but education in village have completely deteriorated. How many schools are there? Compared to that, 10 more times schools are needed. 10 times more doctors are needed than the number of doctors there are. There is a need for the 10 times more courts than the number of courts available. Similarly, there are many problems of roads, electricity, water, etc., which need to be developed a lot. If we look at agriculture itself, it can be developed a lot. There was no shortage of fertile land in our country, but the earlier government did not develop agriculture properly. Similarly, science and technology were also not developed properly. The development of agriculture can bring great prosperity to our country. The government should provide facilities to the farmers like seeds, irrigation, fertilizer, water, market, bank, cooperative, good governance, etc. But some state it is not working, which leads to development. State governments are doing that work, due to which the country is being ruined. When all castes will get development facility, then the disease of reservation will automatically end. The land reform carried out by the leftist parties was there were many shortcomings in it. He gave very little land to the farmer. Farmer could not any benefit from the farm, so little land. Farmer must get so much land that they can live comfortably. The country is suffering a lot due to disease of reservation. Education should develop as per need. There is a need for 10 times more engineering colleges than the number of engineering colleges available. In comparison to the number of medical colleges, 10 times more medical colleges are needed. There is a need for 10 times more schools than the number of schools available. There is a need for 10 times more colleges than the number of colleges available. Due to negligence of the government, the medical and engineering colleges are also getting ruined. Political party will not easily come out from the trap of reservation because governments work on the basis of the practicality of democracy. India's democracy had sunk into ultimate deformity. India's democracy was burning in the fire of many distortions like ultimate criminalization, ultimate corruption, ultimate casteism, ultimate unemployment, ultimate poverty, etc. Earlier government did not want to stop corruption and criminalization. The kind of administration we had, that administration could not bring about any kind of development. Our administration had become so corrupt that it could not find any kind of problem. The government before 2014 did not want to free the political system from corruption. Today's reality is that no party has the solution to the disease of casteism. The solution to the disease of casteism is development. Will do, however, after independence, casteism has reduced a lot in our country. The solution to all the disease of the country lies in planned development. Now the time has come when casteism will be further eradicated. After a few days, when all castes will become equal politically, socially and economically, then casteism will be further eliminated. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my video. Thank you very much. Namaskar.